Yay, it's mixed.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna try.
Just your hands, or with
put it
your
in my
fish?
upper.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I do.
It might take 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let's do this. So usually you get 15 seconds to look at it beforehand. I'm gonna assume that was 15 seconds. All right, let's do this. I'm still so slow. My goal is to do under 1 minute.
Uh,
20 seconds.
yeah, you've gone 30 seconds.
Okay. Well, I can't do it today.
One day.
Yeah, I'm saying one day. That is my goal, but for today I'm too noob. Oh, so slow.
You can do it.
I'm making way too many mistakes. Oh,
That's why we learn and practice. That's better than if I had the Rubik's Cube.
all right.
Okay, nice.
That was lucky, actually.
Oh.
Wow.
1 minute and 30 seconds?
Yeah.
All right, not bad. Not bad.
Okay. I'll stop.